Hi guys, good morning. I just took off the last few bit of sugar snap peas that were left on the vines here. I've got 8 on this side of this square foot bed, and then I've got another 8 on the other side. They put off about 4 sandwich bag size amount of sugar snap peas, so I was able to get that many out of 16 plants, so that's not a whole lot. So next year I think I'm gonna do I'm probably gonna double that up because my family really loves those and they just eat them plain and straight out of the fridge. So here's a couple of them that I just pulled off here. So yeah, that was just the last flush that they put off, so now I'm gonna pull those out and I'm gonna do a fall crop. I've got some more peas that I had left over from, so these are the exact same ones. So I'm going to do the same thing, and I'm going to plant 8 in each box. If I would have saved a couple of these pods, you can wait until they're like tan and crispy, and you can shake them like this, and you can hear them shaking around in there. I would be able to use those peas as my seeds and plant those, but I did not do that. And I'm glad that I had these left over, so I'm going to go ahead and get these put in the ground. So I just found one. This is almost dried up here. I'm going to shake it around and see if they're ready. They're not. So I'm just going to lay this out. And then I'll save that for next year. I'll just set it out in the sun. I probably just set it on right here actually and check on it. Oh, you can actually hear some of them shaking around, so they might be alright. Let that sit there for a couple of days and then I'll just put that away. I'm just going to loosen the soil up a bit. So these peas need to be down 1 inch, so I'm just going to go ahead and make some holes. Again, there can be 8 in each spot, so I'm just going to put in 4 little spots on each side. So I've got them all planted in at 1 inch depth. I'm going to give them some water. It's going to be about 2.5 months before we're able to harvest from them. So that should be perfect amount of time. At the beginning of October, we'll be able to harvest the sugar snap peas. Thanks you guys so much for watching my video. We'll see you guys soon. Bye.